Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
And here I will gonna test their academy feature this time. Here click on this browser option. Now here you can see here the web, academic and social option. So basically in this video I will teach you how you can use this academy feature and how you can research here by using this academic feature. So let's begin. So here we want to look for academic option, so I'm gonna off all that and I'm enabling the academic option here. Here I have asked ChatGPT to create the questions for me. Here you can see the questions that ChatGPT has created for me. So now for testing this feature, I'm copying this biology question from here. So I'm copying the biology question here. So here again I'm researching with this web option only. Later on I'm gonna compare that with the academic one. Here you can see the answer that this Perplexity has provided me with the web option. Now the academic is still turned off. Now you can see here random mutation, metabolic gene mutation and horizontal gene transfer and all that. Now let's go, and this time I will gonna research with the academic only. Now I'm pasting that here. Now here you can see that with academic you can see different sources, and you can see that now this time the answer is much better and more deeper. Indeed, this academic feature do have some effect on the research. Now here I will gonna paste this high level research question. Now this time I am copying this high level research question. Now here for comparing I will research first in this web. So I am pasting the question here. Here you can see the sources and you can see all that. Here you can see all that. Here you can see the answer that it has provided us. The answer is pretty good, but now let's go try it in the academic one. Now here you can see the answer that they have provided us with the academic variant. Here you can see the answer, you can see how advanced it is. Indeed, it is more advanced than the normal web one. Now I will gonna ask the same question to ChatGPT. Now here you can see the answer that ChatGPT has provided us. Here I will say that ChatGPT answer is more advanced and more deeper. With this academic feature you can research here all about your academy and it will provide you better result. Now if we go and we research here in the Google. Now in Google I have researched the same question and now you can see the answer that Google has provided us. Now if we compare all these answers, here you can see that Google is not better at all. Perplexity is much better than Google, and if we compare ChatGPT with Perplexity, I will say that ChatGPT is even better than Perplexity. You have seen all the answers. So here first I will gonna copy this math physics numerical. So I have copied this answer. Now I'm researching this numerical in the academic option in Perplexity. So here I'm simply pasting the numerical. You can do the same process for all the math numericals. Here you can see that this Perplexity has provided us the solution. It has provided us the formula, given data, solution and answer. The answer is really satisfied. Here you can see all the details. And now if we compare this Perplexity's answer with the Google answer, now if we go to the Google and we paste the same question in the Google, you can see here the result. It has shown us the formula, but in many cases Google don't show us the solution at all. So here you can see in the bottom there are many websites, so you have to find the answer through these websites. And here most of these websites ask you to first log in to assess the solution. So first you have to log in into these websites to assess the answer. It's really a long method, so it's better to use Perplexity's academic option. And that was all about Perplexity academic option.
If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.